Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll walk you through setting up the Upsell Popup Widget, a powerful feature that enables you to upsell or cross-sell products directly from the cart page. The Upsell Popup Widget displays a smart pop-up that recommends relevant products based on what customers have added to their cart. By using this widget, you can boost your average order value and create a more personalized shopping experience. All right, let's get started. Accessing the widget. To access the Upsell Popup Widget, open your customized Debutify theme. Click on Debutify Widgets. Then select Upsell Popup. To enable or disable it, go to Theme Settings. Professional Widgets. Once enabled, go back to Debutify Widgets. Upsell Popup. Here, you can customize all the settings. Title. Edit the main heading text for your pop-up. Example, make it complete with product title. Width. Adjust the width of the pop-up to control how much horizontal space it takes. Small. Great for short messages or minimal content. Medium. Balanced option for general use. Large. Best for rich content, multiple products, or longer text. Decline offer text. Change the text shown on the Decline button. Example, no thanks. Go to Checkout text. Customize the label for the Checkout button. Example, go to Checkout. Alignment. Control how the button is positioned horizontally. Inherit. Uses parent or theme alignment. Left. Aligns button to the left. Center. Places button in the center. Right. Aligns button to the right. Justify. Stretches the button across full width. Color schemes. Match the widget to your store's theme with light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background. Custom. Create your own palette for full control. You can add pop-up, click to add block and select upsell products. Inside each block, you can customize. Block name. Used internally to identify the block. It's recommended to keep the default name. Example, upsell products. Heading. Set a custom heading for the pop-up. Example, special offer. Text. Add supporting text describing the offer. Example, add this product to your cart and get 20% off your entire order. Button label. Change the call to action label. Example, claim offer. Button icon. Choose an icon to display on the pop-up button. Example, card gift card. Collection trigger. Choose or create a collection whose products will activate this upsell when added to the cart. Product trigger. Choose the specific product that will trigger the pop-up. Product offer. Select up to one product to promote as the upsell offer. Discount coupon code. Enter the unique coupon code customers will use to apply the discount. Example, Debutify discount. Discount type. Select how the discount will be applied. Percentage. This applies a percentage-based discount to the customer's order total. Fixed amount. This applies a specific dollar or currency amount off the purchase. Discount value. Specify the exact value of the discount. Example, 20%. And that's it. Your Upsell Popup widget is now fully set up. By customizing this widget, you'll encourage higher cart values, reward loyal shoppers, and keep your store engaging and dynamic. If you need any help, feel free to contact our Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with Debutify Theme.